This is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm. This flower I'll talk about today can live longer than your marriage, your mortgage, and maybe even you. And that's just fact number one. Peonies are the royalty of the spring garden. But even if you've grown them for years, I've got 7 facts that just might surprise you. 1. Some peony plants have been blooming in the same spot for a century. Plant one now, and it might be blooming long after you're gone. 2. Worried about ants? Don't be. They're there for the sugary nectar and actually help protect your blooms from pests. 3. Some varieties are sweet and rose-like. Others smell spicy, citrusy, or are totally scentless. So always sniff before you snip. 4. Peonies hate change. Transplanting can make them sulk, and they may not bloom for a year or two afterward. So plant wisely and pick your location. 5. Tree peonies beat their herbaceous cousins to the party and bring huge, exotic-looking blooms. 6. If you're in a warmer zone like Zone 9, peonies need help mimicking winter. Try a low-chill variety or plant in partial shade for best success. 7. Peonies often take 2 to 3 years to bloom after planting, but when they do, it's pure floral magic. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow flower lovers. Till next time, happy planting.